So here is the Fluke VT900A gas flow analyzer. So we are going to be unboxing these Fluke tools, this baby. So unbox with me. Okay, we have some accessories, some filters, tubings. So here is the Fluke VT900A gas flow analyzer, the power cable, the straps, the vaporizer tester. That's for our anesthetic machine. So if you want to test the functionality of your vaporizers, so you can test with this. Just connect it to your VT900A gas flow analyzer. So this is the ports for testing your vaporizers. And here is your rechargeable battery pack. So I'm going to be running us through the basic on the gas flow analyzer. So on when fully charged, the battery can last you up to 8 to 9 hours without you being worried about power supply. So right now the device has been calibrated. So as you can see, the oxygen present in the atmospheric air is 21% of oxygen, which is what we are seeing right now. The flow of air into this device is around 0.4 liter per minute. So we have our negative pressure because it is going in as our volume. So the first thing first, so let's zero this out to be sure that at least the parameters we have or whatever reading we are getting is accurate. So this is what we have. So first thing first, we're going to be going to our menu. We can see our customized breadth view, our test ID, which is the test that this has been used for. We have the profiles. So depending on the parameters you have on this gas flow analyzer, so you can either save or load from any of the previous saved settings. So I'm going to be going back. So you can either return back to this menu from either going to menu or you click on back. So we have the setup where you can select which of the gas you are interested in working with, your breath detection mode, your profile, your unit selection. You make modifications to your unit right over here, your temperature, and that's literally basic of the gas flow analyzer. So if you are interested in checking for suction flow, be it a low suctioning pressure, if you are dealing with a negative pressure, so you are going to be checking from here. So you connect your tube, as you can see from the accessories, from the tubing that we have here. So you're going to pick the tube that work best for you. So any of the terminal that you're going to be working with, you connect it straight. Let's say we are interested in getting our low negative pressure reading. So you're going to connect it directly into this terminal. Don't forget we are in low pressure. So you're going to be selecting low pressure from the dashboard. So this is what we have. So if you are going to be taking a reading more than this or less than this, you can either zoom in or you zoom out. So this is going to be taking a reading from -50 to +50. So if you are zooming in, it's going to be from -20 to 20. So -10 to 10, depending on the value in millibar. So if you're interested in getting your pressure value in millimeter of mercury, don't forget you go back to your units and you come back to low pressure. Don't forget this is the aspect or where we have. So if you change it to millimeter of mercury right now, okay, so let's go back to our low pressure. You can see the value has changed to millimeter of mercury. So if you're interested in zooming out, you want the parameters you want to measure is going to be between -20 to 20, so you zoom out. So if it's going to be -50 to 50, you zoom out more. So that's on the low pressure. So if you're interested in getting high pressure, you come into this terminal or this port, you pull it out, and screw with me. So you pull it out, you connect your tubing to this connector, then you go into the high pressure. Don't forget the high pressure setting is still in bar, and if you are interested in getting for ultra low pressure, you come to this terminal, or you change from the dashboard to ultra low pressure. So if you're interested in getting the flow, is it a positive flow, is it a negative flow? So you are going to be working with any of this. So let me say you are working with negative flow, but don't forget we are in ultra low flow. So you are going to be in the ultra low flow dashboard, so which is what we have right now. So depending on the parameter you are interested in monitoring, so if you are working on ventilator, this is the parameter you are going to be working with. Be it an aesthetic machine, the ventilator aspect of the anesthetic machine, you can monitor it from here. Or just you want to analyze your flow from oxygen concentrator, you want to analyze the flow, the volume, and the oxygen purity, you can also do the same from here. But if you are going to be analyzing oxygen flow with oxygen purity, this is the port. You have the inflow, your flow inlet up to 200 liters per minute, and you have the outflow or the flow exhaust at that terminal. So don't forget to follow us so as not to miss an interesting upload on other fluke tools. Thank you.